fine day. Ow, I hate these stupid Barbies. Well, I did knock the shoe off. Might as well put it back on. I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna walk around.
Mm-hmm.
Take the doll and put it on the railing. Try to hold it there where you can fit. I'm gonna go upstairs for a sec. What the heck is happening with this Barbie? I just moved. All right, might as well go upstairs. What the? This one looks like a ghost. Okay, this is just getting weird. I kill you! What the? All these dolls are going with me. This one, I don't know why it's wearing a bra and a skirt. Okay, you. Actually, just you two. I'm gonna keep you downstairs, and I hope you like it. Might as well have a few competition before I handle the other one. Evaporation. 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 Okay. I had to stop. Now, don't film me this. Now go get the other one and move it. No, no. Don't make sure they don't see your hand. Thought I put the doll right there. I'm alone in the house, and there's a doll. That's it. I'm gonna lock this thing up now. Now I'm gonna take the other two and lock them up. Okay, now I'm going to do something.
Grace, I like this look.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is... no, don't film me.
I just did.
Keep filming it.
Okay.
No, part two now. Part two. Actually, not